Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Ali Yamin Apu, assistant teacher in mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take nursery's math class. This is our first math class, my dear students. So look at the board and look at the topic. Our today's topic is write in number. This is the first part in this topic. Okay, our lecture number is 1 because this is the first class in mathematics, and your homework number is also 1. Now let's start. The question is write in number from 1 to 10. That means we need to write down the numbers from 1 up to 10. Already you have learned this one, I think so. How to write down the numbers in number? The number 1 is like this way, is given there already. And the second number is 2. 2 is like this way. 3, then 3 is this one. 4, 4 is this one. 5, 5 is this one. Then 6, 6 is like this way, my dear students. 6 is not like this way. This is the wrong process. You did the mistake in several times. So this is the wrong process. This is our number 6. Then 7 is this way. Then 8 is like this one, and a 0 at top of a 0. It's called 8. Now 9 is like this way. My dear students, to write down 9 and 6, you did the mistake. This is not our 9. This is not our 9. Okay, this is the opposite of 9. So this is the wrong process. This is our 9. Don't forget it. And to write down 10, we need 2 digits. These are all the digits, and you need 2 digits to write down number 10. 10 is after 9, so it will make 1 and a 0. It will be our number 10. Now write down this one in the box. How to write down? When we have the box appears, we should write down the numbers from left to right, not up to bottom. Okay, we should write down first of all left to right. That means in the first box we will write down the number 1, and then we have to write down number 2. Why we should write down from left to right? That means in this box we should write down number 2, not here. Okay, so write down 2 here. 2 is like this way. This is our 2. Then 3, and again we should go to the right side. In this box, right side is 3, and 3 is like this way. So 1, then the number is 2, then number is 3. After 3, the number comes which is 4. 4 is like this way. I have written down here already. This is 4 in the next box. 4. And my dear students, after 4, the number comes which is 5. 5 is like this way. This is number 5. Okay, now we have finished this first row. Now where we should write down the next number? The next number should be write down in the first column. That means here you should write down, okay, in the left. After 5 we have the number 6. So 6 should be write down in the first column, second row. This is 6. Now after 6 the number comes which is 7. 7 is like this way. Then it is 8. After 7 the number comes which is 8. 8 I have discussed it on already. The 1 0 is top of another 0. It makes 8. Okay. Then the next one is 9. The number 9 is like this way. And to write down the number, next number of 9 is 10. To write down the number 10, we need 2 digits. The digits are 1 and a 0. It makes 10. 1 and a 0. It makes 10, my dear students. So this was our CW work, and it's very easy work, my dear students. It will be your HW. Please do your HW. And how to do your HW? Look, you must write down HW number 1 in the left top corner of your copy, and then you should write down the date also. You must write down the date in the right top corner here, the date on the right top copy. When date you should write down, which date you should write down, and mention it here. After that, pick up this question, write in number from 1 to 10, and also create the box. There are 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 boxes. You should write down these 10 boxes in these 10 numbers. Okay, you should write down 10 numbers in these 10 boxes. And you should submit your HW in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. I repeat, you can submit your HWs in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again, inshallah, in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.